cuisine is fresh, it's healthy, it's new but not new enough to be weird. It's just good food, cooked from scratch, best whole ingredients that can be found. This month we have a sweet and sour plum chicken, chicken marsala, a pork marsala, sweet and sour plum pork. We do a range of vegetables. We have a great vegetable medley we're doing now that's blanched broccoli and carrots with roasted red bliss potatoes, roasted sweet red pepper. Our family meals consist of everything from family-style classical meat lasagna and vegetarian lasagna to some of our healthier options such as sweet and sour plum chicken, chicken marsala. We have a range of vegetables that we serve, a lot of roasted vegetables with rice that we cook with turmeric and garlic for reasons of flavor as well as health. And we do a lot of vegetable medleys such as broccoli, carrots, red bliss potatoes, sweet peppers. A lot of our vegetables will have sautéed greens, especially when they're in season. You can have everything from spinach to collards, kale, mustard greens, tossed in with various different grains, rice. We try to cook with mainly whole ingredients, whole foods. We're more about whole, fresh food. We make everything fresh that day, and so we'll prepare it like this. We'll label it, we'll put it in the cooler, and then either it'll be picked up or delivered later in the afternoon. We're more about whole, fresh food and finding the best ingredients that are available to us where we are without having them travel 2,000 miles. We put a lot into the local economy in the way of using food especially, and we're trying to increase our repertoire of farmers, talk to farmers, meet farmers, get involved in various groups that are popping up everywhere as the new slow food trend comes on and gets bigger and bigger and invites more people.